How about a couple clips of strange noises I just heard?
CQDX 309, Central Iowa, standing by.
Come on in here, 309, 605 pointed right at you.
How's it going, guys? Cory the Random Guy here with you. Today, I want to share what I heard over these radios behind me just a little bit ago. But before we begin this video and show you guys what the noises that I heard, like you guys keep liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, hitting the notification bell so you guys don't miss anything. You guys are doing phenomenal. Thank you very much. We have a P.O. box for the channel. Addresses, description below. So without further ado, let's get into this. So I just encountered a really weird noise on the US 40 channel AM just a little bit ago. It's very, very strange. It was happening on channels 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. That's 6 channels. And when I first heard this noise, I was like, oh, I wonder if this is the International Space Station. So I got up, checked my scanner. Nope, still scanning through. Still heard the noise. I'm like, okay, what's going on here? I happen to look. This Cobra 19 here was just going berserk with this noise. Any of you guys in the comments, let me know what that noise was so that I can get a better understanding of what's going on. And see, the funny thing is that I leave my radios on pretty much 24/7. They hardly ever get turned off. The vast majority of the time they'll get turned down. But I think after this noise, I'm going to keep them up just a little bit and enough for me to hear it overnight as well. So there you go, guys. Enough jibber jabber. Here is the video clips. Enjoy.
Listen to this. Flip it over to sideband and see what we get. Start the sideband. Channel 19. Now it's on 16. It's moving around. Now it's on 15. This just started 20 minutes ago. There's nothing in my house. Now it's on 17. Now it's on 19. Yeah, now it's on 19. It's on 20. Now it's not on 20, but it is on 19. Directly on 19. It's really, really weird. And now it's gone. All the channels that it would have been on, not there. Nope, skip. Of course, channel 6, you guys know. It is nowhere around anywhere. Very strange. It's not there. In case you guys are wondering, I usually hang out on channel 20 AM. Someone skip his roll and holler out for me.
Alright guys, wasn't that strange? Holy shit. I don't understand what it was. Maybe some of you guys have heard this noise before. You guys can explain to me what's going on. But I haven't heard it since. I've been kind of scanning through a little bit. It's not there. It abruptly stopped. It kind of sounded like a radar signature, but I'm not sure. So anyway, guys, I know this is a very short video. We're gonna say 73s to all of you, 309 Central Iowa, signing off. Have a good day, guys.